Managing implementation for MountKirk game, application development, API best practices, testing framework, data and system integration tooling. I do not have much here. Definitely, you need to have your application development process is impacted because of the Google Cloud Platform, because you are developing it for Google Cloud Platform, taking advantage of Google's platform as a service or infrastructure as a service. Google's APIs, or whenever you are developing an APIs, you need to make sure that the best practices are implemented or taken care. Uh, Apart from that, the testing framework like load testing, unit testing, and integration testing, you need to make sure that that is in place. You can use as is your infrastructure to test, but I think you need to identify what is the change when you are taking your application into Google Cloud Platform. When you are looking at your this architecture, right? Firestore is auto scaled based on the data you put it, and based on you query you fire. BigQuery is again auto scaled data flow. You need to make sure that there are proper instances running with proper CPU and memory in it, so that you are ultimately processing data appropriately or optimally. So all of that constitute towards how you are testing and what you are testing for your infrastructure. uh, what is the data and system migration tools we are least bother right now. For only migration that we have is the compute engine. That's where you know the MountKirk game has got its own Linux, custom Linux machines. They can take and use image service, Google GCP's image service, create compute engine image, and then use that image to launch multiple instances inside Google Cloud Platform as a game backend. And 5.2 is just the tools how you can use SDK and GSUtil or BigQuery tools. Majority of the time we are going to use say GSUtil and BigQuery because we are managing the data inside BigQuery and cloud storage.